Hold up, let me get some recording. Hold up. I got you. Give me 1 second.
What was that? A second? Third? What's the second?
That was third gear. All the poles I did in third gear.
Yeah. This is inertia disc, so if we were to do it,
So as you see, you got some of the footage from the dynos here.
yeah.
What's going on, man? You alright? Carbon Corey's bike there. Got a lot of motorcycles that showed up out here. What's going on, man? You all right? What's the word? Good? Hey, I hear that. I hear that. What's up, bro? I'm glad. See, I was trying to...
Hey, if y'all haven't bought one of these, go ahead and buy it. I don't have a website yet, but eventually, maybe in a couple of years.
Can I have one?
Medium?
I'll take a large.
Oh, you look super muscular.
Yeah.
If you put this on.
There you go. It might even make me more aerodynamic, too.
So ain't nobody's gonna want to fuck with you. You're gonna be like, hey, bitch.
Hey, yo, where we go to ride the bike? Yo.
Over there, it should be a desk over there at the front.
That's where we go to sign up to ride one?
Yeah, yep.
We're gonna be here for a while.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, you got enough time for sure. What's going on, bro? You all right? What's the word? You all right? I'm good, man. How about you? What's going on, man? Easy. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
So you got the bike over there on the stands and stuff.
Yeah, I got the R6 out.
Do you? He'll be here tomorrow. He's not coming today,
Okay.
Yeah.
You got your bike here?
Yeah, I parked over there. I'm actually gonna bring it over here in a second.
Park next to mine.
I don't want to embarrass your bike, man. I don't want to make your bike look like trash, you know what I'm saying?
It already does. It already does. That's
I'll let you steal the show with the jack stands and everything.
Ain't no show us stocking cars.
Yeah, man, we brought the heavy hitters out today. Ain't that right, Bonzo? That's a good question. Ask
I was looking for him for 3 days. He's always talking about text. I feel like Chop. You know, he the other people. I ain't gonna say they that.
Thank you. We do not promote other people on my channel. Well, we do, but not those guys.
That's crazy. Make sure you subscribe to EAZYRYDERMOTO, the fastest in Southeast Michigan.
The fastest in the world.
In the world.
The heavyweight champion of the world.
Wow.
The heavyweight champion of the world.
He is the fastest on his whatever street he live on. I'm proud. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
What you got in the bag already?
So I'm gonna get you guys some live footage from more dyno stuff and stuff like that. I just want to give you guys a walk around. As you see, Steve 5 Up Super Leggero right here. One of one. How you doing? Good. One of one Super Leggero that he custom did. And this motorcycle is absolutely phenomenal. You see Brewster Catfish's motorcycle here as well. These motorcycles are dope. And as you see, Jeff's custom rat ride bike, the R18, done up here at Southeast BMW. Absolutely beautiful bike.
Before we do kick this show off, there are a couple things that I have to tell you now. Number one, this is a live action. And that means that live action things can't happen. So throughout the duration of the performance, we just ask that you please remain standing. Pay attention to what's going on around you. Do not push your buddy or toss your children into the riding area. And if you see a motorcycle coming at you and there's nobody on top of it, Well, that's your cue to get out of the way. Pretty simple set of rules, right? Pretty simple set of rules, right? Which brings me to my second point. Now, this is also a very interactive show. So what that means that while me and teacher are here sweating our pretty little butts off trying to pay our rent and our alimony, all we ask is that you guys are yelling, clapping, cheering, at least pretend like you're having a good time. Can you guys handle that? Yeah! All right, keep in mind, we travel the country, sometimes the world doing this. We're really good at what we do. So if this show sucks, it's your fault. All right. Am I drawing my magical number right now? All right, tickets out. Once again, it's going to be for a $500 gift card to here or Ducati Detroit, a SuperBIke shirt, and a track day at Groton either this year or next year. And the lucky winner is lucky number 72. Oh. Anybody got 72? Because if they're not here, 73. I got a second number.
Dang, really?
72.
73?
72.
Going on, 73.
You got it? All right, somebody beat that guy. That's good. Congratulations to our winner. He gets a free t-shirt. I'm keeping his $500 gift card. We're going to get things kicked off right now. She's going to go over there and collect some information. And we're going to get this party started the only way we know how, the BMW way. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Let's make some noise. Let's go! Make some noise. Back to BMW's Chris Teachmcneal. There you go. Tires as he goes flying all the way back down to the far end. You're going to see an S1000 RR. Not only is he going to use all available horsepower, but he's going to use every square inch of the surface out here as he comes sliding all the way up the front tires. To Milwaukee yet today. If you get a photo of that, make sure you're tagging Teach at teachmcneal. If anybody would like to stick around after the show and help change tires, I would love you. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, put your hands together, make that noise. Factory BMW, Chris Teachmcneal. You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much for coming out, hanging out with us all weekend long here at BMW Motorcycle Southeast Michigan. Don't forget the demo trailer is still open until 4 p.m. I don't even get hazard pay for this. Just really, kids, stay in school, do something good and useful with your life. Be an engineer or something, I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much again for coming out. You guys are liking the best possible.
I don't want to race the bike. I know what that thing can do. I can tear it up. Barely.
It goes 1-in-1 with a CBR that makes 180 horsepower. Your bike, man. Not very much. Your bike makes 40.
Behind the scenes footage. EJR Performance talking mess to Artie and 2L Mazda. They might get a run in tomorrow. Apparently I got a run in with Tron tomorrow too, so I'm taking the bait. Fuck it.
You got 21 horsepower.
21 horsepower over.